Welcome, Dr. V. Reddy's Check and Improve Knowledge. There are 10 MCQs in this quiz. Please write these numbers on a white paper and note down your answers after each MCQ. Then check your answers with the answers given. This basic knowledge is essential for all students, from 7th class to who are aspiring higher competitive exams. Please like, subscribe and share this to every student. 1. It causes harmful wear and tear, energy loss, etc., but is essential for basic functions like walking, driving, holding things, etc. Which one of the following is considered as a necessary evil? Two, a force that opposes the relative motion or tendency of motion between two surfaces in contact, acting parallel to the contact surface and always against the direction of motion or attempted motion is called. Three, which of the following is a reason for friction? Four, on rough surfaces, there are a large number of irregularities. Irregularities on the two surfaces lock into one another. When we attempt to move any surface, we have to apply a force to overcome interlocking. If a smooth surface is involved, the force of friction is Five. If two surfaces are pressed harder, the force of friction will 6. The substances which increase friction are called. Seven. The substances which decrease friction are called. Eight. Air is very light and thin. Air, water and other liquids exert force of friction when objects move through them. The common name of gases and liquids is. Nine. The frictional force on an object in a fluid depends on. Ten. The frictional force exerted by fluids is called. Please check answers. 1. D. Friction. 2. B. Friction. 3. D. All of the above. Irregularities on the two surfaces in contact. Adhesion, deformation or fluffing. 4. A. Less. 5. B. Increase. 6. C. Abrasives. 7. A. Lubricants. 8. D. Fluids. 9. D. All of the above. Its speed with respect in the fluid, shape of the object, nature of the fluid. 10. C. Drag. Short notes on 1. Friction. 2. Types of friction. 1. Friction. Key points are 1. Friction opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It acts on both the surfaces. 2. It is both a friend and a foe. It enables walking, braking, writing, etc. It causes wear and tear, heat, energy loss, etc. 3. The substances which reduce friction are called lubricants. 4. It depends on the nature of surfaces in contact, the state of smoothness of the surfaces, how hard the two surfaces press together. 2. Types of friction. 1. Static. 2. Sliding. 3. Rolling. 4. Fluid. For more quizzes on multiple topics, please like, subscribe and share this channel. Check and improve knowledge to every student. Thank you.